more about the windy conditions and the wind out there and the dryness and how fire crews in Oregon and Southwest Washington are on high alert.
We'll switch to our Emily Burris, who's live in Clackamas County, where firefighters have put a burn restriction in place. Emily?
That is right. We're here at Clackamas District 1, where today they said no backyard burning, no agricultural burning, and that is because we have seen several days of these dry, windy conditions. Even with the cooler weather settling in, it's still creating a dangerous situation here. I did talk to fire officials today who said for the last couple of days they have been dealing with fires that have sparked in rural areas of western Oregon. Forestry crews are working on the crankshaft fire. That is just south of Gates, currently about 25 acres in size, but it's moving across some steep timberland terrain, so fighting that fire has been difficult. Meanwhile, though, crews say yesterday's fires that sparked up in Detroit and Malala, they are now under control. They're being mopped up, about 80 acres in size for each of those. Officials think these are cases of burn piles, even from a couple of weeks ago, reigniting with the dry, windy conditions.
What we've seen with the recent fire activity that we've had are rekindled burns that have burned several weeks ago that have come back to life when people thought that they were out or contained. It can smolder for several weeks, so always go back and monitor those burns and make sure that you have the proper tools and equipment on hand to take care of those.
So even though it's the end of October, it is cooler weather now, and in some cases we've been in areas where you have been allowed to burn for about a month at this point. Officials say check in with your local fire districts before you do any kind of burning. Make sure that it is being allowed in your area, because in some cases it's not. By the way, Clackamas, one of the agencies that did send crews down to California to help with the devastating wildfires there. I spoke with them and other fire officials from the state today. They tell me in all cases we still have more than enough resources here in Oregon to cover any fire threat that we may be facing. We're live in Clackamas County. Emily Burris, KOIN 6 News.
Now to